Uganda AIDS Commission bagambire ebi babiri nibaganiraho n'abanyamakuru bwanyuma yo kurambura amarwaro gatara gamwe na gamwe omucyange cya Ankole. Abantu bagira ngo marwaro mingi okurwana sasirimu bakakurugaho
shandire ngu obuhereza obwakubena ubuyamba abana kugira ngo tubakwatwa akakoko ka sirimu ninga sheki turukweta prevention services nzozi kugenda nisherebera arho nkemba zaitu akubintwereza abana ninga sheminyeto namwe nimwe abakuru konka abacaro batona abakuru w'ingirimare yo myaka ejo kugira ngo mwaremerwe kwa bustaininga mwaremerwe kwekuma konka kandi mutakwatwa kakoko kasirimu arihemba zaitu rukweta airprep.
Dr. Bagambage Vincent obirayo mukuramburoku agizire ngo ebikozeso byo kucebera no kurebera abantu abari kutura n'akakoko ka sirimu nabyo mu marwaro tubyacu bayo
turebere ngo ebyo kukozesa nke mbazi nke byo kucebeza na ibindi byone ebyo kukozesa mu marwaro turebere ngo nabyo umwe n'umwe bitarukumara n'ingashibyiza bikererwa kwikayo
omukurambura kwabo cishangiriwe ngo bashaba bari kuragurira abantu bari kutura n'akakoko ka sirimu nabo bakacendera
service eyo kugira ngo omuntu yabarwira akakoko ka sirimu yija okamucebera kandi ogumize ngo gendo cebere n'abandi abakoyigita nabo ncanje ngo nabwogwe bucendire ecyakashatu cishangire ngo abashaho omarwaro tubarukumara.
Hotspots are like the way we hear the word hotspots, where we know these are spots where the HIV transmission is very high. So in such places, our key populations or people who are at risk of getting HIV, the prevalence there is very high. Yes, mostly with the sex workers, 1 out of 2. That is from Mbarara City. The prevalence is above 50.
Bwanyuma yo kweyongera kwa sirimu muri Mbarara City, Uganda AIDS Commission n'intekateka yo kutaho buciko oburatamburo mu ntandijo barukujanja zengeri yo kurwana akakoko ka sirimu mu rembo rwa Mbarara.
Twenda kutekaho committee yo kureba ngo prevalence y'ako ka sirimu yagaragaye ahantu kandi twikirizana ngo ako ka sirimu tumova gwabashaho bonka ningashinka Mbarara City leadership kwiyaho ni community twena abantu abatura mu Mbarara City.
The women, there is still a significant level of and RCC, you have to follow this up and we address it very firmly. There is still a significant level of sexual and gender-based violence. You know, these women are seated there in their homes. The men come, they have been out, and there is a way, you know, what is happening within the families. The men come back, maybe they have taken alcohol, they have taken, you know, and the way they are engaging each other, even in rape is happening within families. Yes.
We have over 1,500,000 people that are living with HIV. Of these, 930 are women, 930,000 are women, and 570,000 are men. 71,000 are children.
Gasha kwa Susan Charsima.